Hi kids, it's Mommy. Today we're going to do something we haven't done before. We're going to cook a meal together. All right, Mommy's making ramen soup. So let's see, what does it take to make ramen soup? First, it takes the ramen. Here's the ramen. So we put the ramen inside already. So Mommy did a little preparation work ahead of time. Do you see all the steam coming from the soup? So Mommy added miso sauce to water. Miso sauce gives it a nice salty flavor. And the ramen soup has to cook for, I would say it has to boil for another 5 minutes and it'll be ready. What else did we add? Mommy added bamboo shoots. And we're going to add some baby corn. And on top of that, Mommy likes to add chives. These are some dried up chives that Mommy already has prepared. We just add a little bit to the soup like this. And it'll give it a nice flavor. All right, and let's add some baby corn while we're doing this too. Look, there's the baby corn. Mommy's gonna add all of it, but I'm just holding it up so you can see. And when it's ready, we're gonna have a nice ramen soup with bamboo and baby corn and chives. All right, that's all. We'll see you next time, kids. Bye. Mwah.